Guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making smoke easy simple jollof rice. So as you can see, we go in with our groundnut oil into our pot. Then the next thing we are going to add is chopped onions. Add the onions and allow the onions to fry on our own thoroughly. Turn it and make sure it is well fried. After enough turning, enough mixing, then the next thing you are going to do is to go in with breaded scotch bonnet pepper, red pepper, ginger and garlic that is already bread. So we add it inside the onions. Then we are going to turn it and combine them together. Mix it thoroughly and make sure it is well mixed, nice and okay, just the way you are seeing me doing it in this video. Then the next thing I'm going to add was tea tomatoes. I go in with 18 tomatoes paste. Then after adding the tea tomatoes, then I'm going to mix and combine together. Then mix it thoroughly, make sure it is well combined, nice and okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to cover it and allow it to fry on our own. Then after enough cover, as you can see, I open it, it is well fried and okay. Then I begin to go in with my seasoning. I go in with my seasoning, my nutmeg, my curry powder, my thyme and my chicken seasoning. Then I go in with nutmeg, jollof nutmeg. So I added everything inside, then I mix and combine together. Then after mixing it, then I'm going to go in with the nutmeg, guys. This is the nutmeg because I have the seed one, so I need to grave it before I can add it. Then I add it inside, then I turn it, make sure it is well mixed, combined together. Then after that, the next thing I'm going to do, I go in with a little bit of crayfish. You can skip it. Then I added crayfish, then I turn it. You see, this smoke simple jollof rice was so easy to make and it was so yummy. I go in with salt, then I go in with the already washed rice. I wash the rice with hot water, so I go in with, then I go in, I mix and combine together. So after, just keep mixing it, guys. So if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, this is me, Lulu's Kitchen. So what are you waiting for? Why don't you subscribe on my YouTube channel and always give me your like and your comment. So I love to read your comment and I love to appreciate you guys. So I go in with my goat meat that is already cooked. I added it inside just to top it up. Then the next thing I do, I go in with water. Then after adding the water, then I'm going to mix everything together, make sure everything is well mixed, nice and okay. Then the next thing I do, I cover it and allow the food to cook on our own. As you can see, our smoke simple jollof rice is ready. This jollof rice was so amazing. It was so sweet, so yummy and so simple. So as you can see, our smoked simple jollof rice is ready. So what are you waiting for? I know you are going to try this simple amazing smoked jollof rice. You are going to love it. See how the smoke is coming out. When you eat it like this, you will enjoy it. So guys, don't forget to follow, don't forget to like, and don't also forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Eat with us, enjoy with us, stay tuned, remain blessed, and I'll see you guys. Bye.